Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to talk about the Wista air fryer. Now, we get a lot of people contact us about trying out their products, and I turned 90% of them down. But the Wista air fryer piqued my interest because it is made like a conventional toaster oven. The Wista air fryer does more than just air fry. That's what I like. It is a toaster oven, it's an air roaster, and it will broil and bake. Does everything my big toaster oven will do on a small scale for somebody that needs it in a small area, and it also air fries. Now, this dial here is for your temperature. You set it like you would any other oven to whatever temperature you want. This dial goes from air fry, toast, air roast, broil, and bake. This is your timer. I like timers because one tends to walk off and forget something. I stick it in there, and that's why I like the toaster oven. Is I can set the timer and walk off. It goes off. It doesn't overcook something if I don't put the timer on for too much. And if I forget it and get busy with something, it's done. So it comes with this tray. This is a normal roaster tray that you get. It comes with one rack like a regular oven, and it comes with your fry pan. Y'all, I put sweet potato fries in here and they are absolutely amazing. The kale chips were amazing, so I'm going to show you a little bit about what we did with the air fryer. It's a very neat thing, and you see the size. You see the size of it, so that makes enough for two people. It's a really good size. I like that it's laid out like this in a basket, and this is a good heavy wire basket. I love that. And the see-through door. When you turn it on, you can see what it's doing. If it's on air fry, and it is, it's blowing air through and around everything. And when you put it on bake, it doesn't make as much racket because it's not blowing. Baking is just baking like you would in your conventional oven. When you turn it to the air fry, it blows the air around it. It is amazing, and we really like the Wista air fryer for doing our sweet potato fries. I did potatoes. I opened a jar of our canned potatoes and I drained them, coated them in some salt, pepper, and a touch of oil, and threw them in here. It was amazing potato fries. That was awesome. And it dings when it quits. That's amazing. It lets you know that it's done. So if I'm not paying too much attention, I hear it ding, it's time to go check it if I'm still in the house. It comes with an instruction book and this little handle here so you can take it out, not burn your hands. It's got the little hook where when you put it on something, it picks it up. Danny's used it the other day when I was taking stuff out. He helped me a little bit and he used it. He likes it. All right, for lunch, our favorite thing to do is to make sweet potato fries. I cut up my fries, I coated them in, just kind of tossed them in oil and salt and put them in the air fryer. We have these a couple of times a week and we love them with the air fryer. It keeps them softer inside, they don't get hard on the outside. It's great. And I keep the tray underneath it because you see the oil will drip. You don't want it down in the bottom of your thing. And we put this on, let's see what it's on. It's on 375. This is on air fry. And this was on 15 minutes. We're down to 10 minutes. Today I've been using the air fryer as an oven. You set the temperature, and I've got it set at 350. We put it on bake. Over here I put it on 20 minutes, and I've got 2 apples cut up with a little bit of brown sugar and a touch of apple juice in the bottom. We're going to bake that for 20 minutes, and that's going to be one of our desserts. So this can be used as not only an air fryer, but just to bake, broil, toast, or air roast, or air fry. Hey, it's got a lot of things. So this is what we're doing today, is baking apples. I use the little mini air fryer toaster oven from Wiesta for just heating, like Danny's muffins, his blueberry muffins. Put it on 350, bake, and I'm going to put it on less than 10 minutes, like 7 or 8 minutes, and heat it up because these were in the fridge. Works great as a toaster oven type thing. You can bake in it, whatever. Like I said, it has multiple settings, and heating up food right quick, because we do not use a microwave, so it's great as a toaster oven too. All the leaves have a sheen to them from the oil. You don't use a lot of oil, just enough to make sure all of them are like coated, just a light sheen. I used the Himalayan pink salt. Just turned it up, spritzed a little bit on there, and we're going to bake it. The air fryer, we're going to put these in this little basket, and you can see I just kind of single layered them. We're going to sit it up on top of the shelf for air frying. Let's see, I've got it on almost 400. We're going to try 400. This one goes on air fry, and this one I'm going to set it for 10 minutes, but I'm going to keep a check on it because I'm not sure it'll take 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes. They're all crispy and falling apart. The taste is great. So 10 minutes in the air fryer. And they're falling apart. Here I took a baked sweet potato. It's one of our white sweet potatoes. I sliced it, salted it, and stuck it in the air fryer. These things are delicious. Danny and I both just tried one. This is a way to do some air fried baked sweet potatoes the second time around. The Wiesta air fryer. Check the link in the description below for the sale they're having for the next couple of weeks for Christmas, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thank you from Crazy Days.